Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach location in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're going to see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. Stay on chats, then open the chat that you want to attach your location to. Now on the bottom left corner of your screen, you're going to see a small plus icon. Tap on it. Then go ahead and select location option from the options given on your screen. Once you do that, you can search for places from the search bar given on the top of the screen, or you can simply go ahead and select the nearby places or select send current location, and you'll successfully attach your location in Zangi. And guys, that's it. That's how you attach location in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.